Wow! Yes, good evening guys! Kakatapos lang ng aming webinar for tonight and honoring and acknowledging CM, the founder of Studentpreneur Movement and the founder of Smilingpreneur, walang iba, kundi si Jelmar Puti. Ayan. And this will be my day 24 and it is all about rewards. As for me, grabe, I think this is my reward na nakapag-serve tayo sa webinar and nakita uli yung napakaganda at sobrang supportive na community na meron ako. And guys, I want to share this with you. Tomorrow, we have a business opportunity presentation na personally nakatulong sa akin and gusto ko i-share sa inyo to. If ikaw yung tao or ikaw yung tipo na gusto talagang magbago yung buhay, gustong makatulong sa parents, at willing tumulong sa ibang tao, comment, student, or kindly message me, and I hope to serve you soon. I hope to see you. Well, that is all I have for the body in this video, and I will catch you in the next one.